Explain electrodialysis method. Electrodialysis method is one of the most important methods of desalination of water. This method is based on the principle that charged ions in saline water solution move towards oppositely charged electrodes through ion selective membranes under the influence of an applied electric field. Before we discuss how electrodialysis method works, let's first briefly understand the concept of ion selective membranes. An ion selective membrane is permeable for only one type of ions having specific charge. Schematic diagram of an anion selective membrane is as shown. It has positively charged functional groups, which allows anions to pass through it, and does not let cations to pass through it. Similarly, a cation selective membrane consists of negatively charged functional groups, which makes it permeable only to cations and checks the passage of anions through it. Let us now discuss how this electrodialysis method is actually carried out. This process is carried out in a special type of cell called electrodialysis cell. This cell consists of two electrodes and ion selective membranes, which are permeable to either cations or anions. Here the anode is placed near the anion selective membrane, while the cathode is placed near the cation selective membrane. Now saline water under a pressure of around 5 to 6 kg per meter square is passed from the top of the cell and passes between the membrane pairs, and an electric field is applied perpendicular to this direction of water flow. Due to the application of this electric field, the cations present in saline water start moving towards the cathode through cation selective membrane, and anions start moving towards the anode through anion selective membrane. As a result, the concentration of ions increases in some compartments, while it decreases in the adjoining compartments. This basically implies that water in one compartment of the cell gets deprived of its salts, while the salt concentrations in adjacent compartments is increased. Thus we get alternate streams of pure water and concentrated brine. This pure water is collected from the bottom of the cell, and the concentrated brine is collected from a separate outlet at the bottom of the cell. The main advantages of this process are: electrodialysis cell generally is a compact unit, and the cost of installation of the plant and its operation is economical. For very high purification levels of water, electrodialysis method is best suited. Note that electrodialysis has its own inherent limitations, as it is best suited for removing low molecular weight ionic components from a feed stream. Non-charged, higher molecular weight and less mobile ionic species cannot be significantly removed.